You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more pronunciations of Indian names that can be a bit confusing and often mispronounced, stay tuned. I've got many more for you at the end of this video. The Indian pronunciation: Prakash, Sanskrit origin, meaning fourth or shining. Prakash. In English, therefore, the pronunciation is as Prakash. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.